and etc. So let me thank the Deputy Senate President for bringing this all-important motion. I hope that with this motion now, the individual motions on erosion and roads will now be subsumed into this. So if you have any road in your area or any erosion problem in your area, now that we have this committee that is looking into the entirety of the road infrastructure and erosion issues in the country, it will be fantastic to submit a memorandum, submit the memorandum to the committee in that regard. So thank you, distinguished colleagues, for all your contributions. For the committee to handle this all-important assignment, distinguished Senator Abdullahi Yahya, the former Senate leader, will be the chairman. Distinguished Senator Engineer Patrick Ndubweze will be one of the members to represent the Southeast. Distinguished Senator Tugumbo Abiru will be a member representing the Southwest. Distinguished Senator Aminu Tamboa, His Excellency and Speaker Emeritus, will represent the Northwest. Distinguished Senator Engineer Sadiku Abubakar will represent the Northeast. Distinguished Senator Asukwo Ekpeyon will represent the South-South. Distinguished Senator Babangida Hussaini will represent the North Central. And of course, yeah? Okay, so it's from the Senate, not from the North Central. So, distinguished Senator Babangida Hussaini of the 10th Senate will represent the Senate in the committee. And then distinguished Senator Adamu Alero will be a member on account of experience. So thank you, distinguished brothers and sisters. Okay, so we are still reviewing the composition of the committee. We have not dropped the gavel. So we have distinguished Senator Adamu Alero, and then we have distinguished Senator Binos Yaro, who properly represent the Northeast. We have distinguished Senator Salihu Mustafa, also of the North Central. And then we have distinguished Senator Victor Umeh, also representing the Southeast. So this will be the composition of the Senate committee to cater for this issue. Leader of the Senate.